Anna crafts and weaves and gardens. Out back is the canoe she's making out of an old tree. She likes handcrafting her coffee, too, with a coarse grind for just the right amount of grit. For Anna, it's the BODUM French press or nothing.
Oliver takes breathing very seriously, almost as seriously as his coffee. He begins his day with an hour of meditation, followed by the perfect cup. It takes patience, focus, and the BODUM pour-over.
Maria enjoys analyzing chemical compounds, but that's just her day job. Her true passion is coffee. She loves the magic and beauty of science, which is why she loves her BODUM Peebo.
The French press.
The pour-over.
The Peebo. If it's true what they say,
That coffee is the stuff of life.
Let's make it as good as we can.